Oh my goodness! What a long week. I mean, so much math, so much reading, so much science, so much everything. But, guys, we made it. Day 5. We got easy math stuff today. Really, 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 really easy stuff. So please pull out Class Fact Practice Worksheet 8A so we can get started on it in just a second. See you in a minute. Hey everybody, let's go ahead and jump into this lesson. The first thing we need to do is put what at the top of our paper, our names, and the date. So we're going to start with Mr. Flanders, and the date is 8/28/20. Now we've just written the date using digits. Remember, the 8 stands for August because August is the 8th month. The 28 stands for the day, and then the 20 stands for the year, which is 2020. We've just written that with digits. Remember that. All right. So today's assignment looks like it could be a little long. I know it looks a little scary, but it's actually really easy stuff. The whole A section right here, you'll notice this says A. Okay, not to be confused with the A side worksheet. But the A section here, there's a lot going on, but it's really easy stuff. The B section, not to be confused with the B side. Okay, the B section is where the bulk of our learning is happening today. Okay, and we're going to get to that in just a minute. Before we get started, though, I want to make sure my friends have a number line in front of them and also a scratch piece of paper. Okay, a scratch piece of paper is basically a blank paper you can write on to figure out math problems. So I'm going to put mine right here for now. Okay, we're going to start at the very top and we're going to go over each question. Okay, all right. Sometimes we're going to use the number line, sometimes we're going to use the scratch paper, and sometimes we're just going to use our noggins. Our noggins are our heads, by the way. All right, let's go ahead and look at 4 plus 4. Okay, a couple different ways we could do this. One way I'm going to do it right now is I'm going to use my scratch piece of paper. I'm going to make 1, 2, 3, 4 tally marks, and then I'm going to make another 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 plus 4 is the same as what I did here. I made 4 tally marks and then 4 more. So let's go ahead and count what 4 plus 4 is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 plus 4 is 8. Fantastic. Now, let's go ahead and look at the second question. 5 plus 5. Well, guys, we've talked about 5 plus 5 before. It's almost as popular as 2 plus 2. What is 5 plus 5? 10 is the correct answer. Boom. All right. See, now we're cruising. Now we're cruising. All right. Next one. 1 plus 1. If I have 1, and then I add 1 more, how many do I have? We can figure this out a couple ways. The best way I'm going to encourage you to do is just count the ones. 1, 2. So there's 2 ones, which means the answer to 1 plus 1 is 2. Very good. Next up is 9 plus 9. Now, 9 plus 9 is a pretty big number, so we're going to go ahead and get our number line. Okay. Got it? And what we're going to do, my friends, is we're going to find the number 9 on the number line, and we're going to move to the right 9 spots, and that'll be just like adding 9 plus 9. Now we have to start at 9 and then move over to the right. Are you ready? Here we go. So we're at 9 and we're going to count 9 spots over. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 plus 9 is 18. That is 18. Very good. Next up is 0 plus 0. I don't need scratch paper for this one. I don't need a number line for this one. We should all remember what 0 plus 0 is. What is 0 plus 0? It is 0. We cannot add 0. We cannot take away 0. 0 is nothing. Nada. Zip, zilch, goose egg. Nothing. Can't do anything with it. All right. Next one. Number 7. Or rather, 7 plus 7. So 7 plus 7. Let's go ahead and find 7 on our number line. Okay. And we're going to move to the right 7 spots. And that will give us our answer for 7 plus 7. Are you ready? So we're at 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 plus 7 is 14. Very good, guys. Very good. Go ahead and take a second. Oh, dear. Here we go. The most famous math problem ever. Everybody. What is 2 plus 2? 4 is the correct answer. We're going to go ahead and write the number 4. Good job. 4. And then we've got 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8 is a pretty big one. Instead of using the number line for this one, though, I'm going to do a group of 8. Actually, I've already got a group of 8 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to make one more group of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So you see I've got 8 here and 8 here. And we're going to count them to see what 8 plus 8 is. So we're going to actually start at 8. So we've already got 8. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 8 plus 8 is 16. Very good. Very good, guys. Very good. All right, next up is 3 plus 3. Everybody, what is 3 plus 3? 6 is the correct answer. And just in case you don't or you didn't get 6, okay, let's take a look at the number line. So if we're at 3 and we go 3 spots over that way, it'll show you where we go. So 1, 2, 3. So 3 plus 3 is 6. Very good, my friends. Very good. You guys are super smart. Super smart. All right. Next up, 6 plus 6. Okay, let's go ahead and find 6 on our number line. And then we're going to move to the right 6 spots. All right, and that'll give us our answer. So 6 plus 6. So we're at 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we ended up on 12. Good work. Now you'll notice we're starting to get those repeating questions, the questions we've already done. We should already know what 1 plus 1 is. Everybody, what is 1 plus 1? It is 2. Very good. Very good. All right. And then 9 plus 9. Well, we've already done 9 plus 9. What I would like everybody to do right now is, if you remember the answer, go ahead and write it down. Otherwise, find the problem 9 plus 9 that we already did. It's going to be right here. 9 plus 9 equals what, everybody? 18. Okay? Very good. Very good. Okay, I'm going to move the number line real quick. Next up is 4 plus 4. Now we already did 4 plus 4. The rest of these problems we've already done all together. So all I want my friends to do now is go and find the questions that we've already done and get those answers. However, if you remember what the answers are, you can write them down as well. So 4 plus 4, let's find that problem. Ooh, it's right here. 4 plus 4 equals 8. So I'm going to write it down here. And then we've got 7 plus 7. Let's find 7 plus 7. 7 plus 7 equals what, everybody? 14. And then what about 5 plus 5? Do we even need to go look for that one? No, 5 plus 5 is easy. It is 10. Good work. Next up is 3 plus 3. Okay, do we need to go look for that one? 3 plus 3 equals 6. Very good. Then we've got the most famous math problem ever. 2 plus 2 equals 4. That's right. Good job. Good job. All right, next up, 8 plus 8. Now, if you remember, we already did it down here. We've got 8. We've got 8. We did it up here as well. Okay, do you guys remember what the answer is? If not, let's go find it. 8 plus 8. Look for where we did 8 plus 8. Where did we do 8 plus 8? Boop. 8 plus 8 equals what, everybody? 16. And then 0 plus 0 equals what, everybody? 0. Very good. And then what about 9 plus 9? We already did that one. We've done this one a couple times now. What is 9 plus 9? Okay, let's go look for it. 9 plus 9 equals 18. And then 4 plus 4 equals what? Okay, we already did this one a couple of times. I'm going to go look for 4 plus 4. It was the very first question we did. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Very good, my friends. Very good. All right. Now, that is the easy part. And keep in mind, I had you guys go about halfway through this worksheet, and I had you start looking for the answers rather than trying to solve the problems. And there's a reason for that. Okay, let's look at the B section. The B section looks like regular math problems, but they are not regular math problems. You will notice that they are missing numbers. The numbers that they are missing are called addends. Basically, they're the numbers that make the question complete. For example, you wouldn't say 2 plus blank equals 4. If anything is on this side that says equals, that's your answer right there. That is the answer for the question. But we don't know how we got that answer because there's numbers missing. See? So what our job is going to be for these 6 questions is to go find the problems that have these answers. And that will tell us what numbers we are missing from those problems. Take a look. So 2 plus blank equals 4. So we need to go find a question that equaled 4. Okay? That would be this question up here. 2 plus 2 equals 4. What number is missing down here? 2 plus blank equals 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4. What number is missing? It's this 2. So we're going to take that 2 and we're going to plug it in right there. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Okay? Let's take a look at the next one. 5 plus blank equals 10. Now 10 is the answer. We're not adding 5 to 10 because 10 is the answer we have. We need to figure out what number is missing to make this answer true. So what number is missing? Well, the best way for us to do this is look for whichever question's up here equals 10. So we're going to look for a question that equals 10. Boop. There's the number 10. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Well, what number do I need to plug down here? 5 plus blank equals 10. 5 plus 5 equals 10. I need one of those 5s. So then I'm going to write 5, and you'll see now 5 plus 5 equals 10 is the same as 5 plus 5 equals 10. Okay? Okay, I know it gets a little confusing, so try your best to follow along. Okay? The next one is 9 plus blank equals 18. 9 plus blank equals 18. So we're going to find a question that equals 18. That is the answer. 18 is the answer. And it's right here. Here's the answer. 9 plus 9 equals 18. 9 plus blank equals 18. 9 plus 9 equals 18. 9 plus blank equals 18. We should put what number in there, everybody? 9. Very good. Now, the next question. Blank plus 1 equals 2. Blank plus 1 equals 2. So let's go find which answer is 2 up here. Okay. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Blank plus 1 equals 2. What number is missing, guys? It's that 1. The 1 makes this question true. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Okay? Next one. Blank plus 4 equals 8. Blank plus 4 equals 8. Well, I can look right here. This is the answer that we need is 8. And I can look right here and see the 8. I've got 8 and 8 right here. So the question up here is 4 plus 4 equals 8. 4 plus 4 equals 8. So what do I need right here to finish this question? Blank plus 4 equals 8. I need a 4. A 4. All right. And then our last question, I'm not even going to look for because it's a trap. It's a trick. It is tomfoolery. Okay? Blank plus 0 equals 0. Can I add anything to 0 to get 0? No. Can I take anything away from 0 to get 0? No. The answer has to be 0. 0 plus 0 equals 0. It is a trick. Don't fall for it, my friends. Now, the next time we run into a worksheet like this, I'm going to show you another way to work on these problems. But I wanted to show you kind of an easy way to do it today, which is where we went and looked for the answers to get the questions completed. So I know it's a little confusing, and I know it's a little much, but you guys did really good with this. You did really good with this. So the next up is having you guys do B-side on your own. Okay. Now the good thing is, if you want to, okay, you can start looking at some of these over on A-side and filling in the numbers that might be a little rough for you, filling in some of the answers that you might not get, even if you use a number line or scratch paper. It's entirely up to you. It's also up to mom and dad how you want to do it. But try to do your best work on this. I would like to see how much you can do on your own. It's okay to use the resources you have if you need to, but otherwise try to do it on your own. And definitely remember, these bottom ones down here, we're not trying to add them together. We're looking for what missing numbers give us these answers. Okay? On that note, I'm going to get going. Okay? Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe out there. Don't hang out in the sun too much. I think we're having another heat wave, so be careful. But other than that, guys, I'm out of here. Take it easy. I'll see you next week.